So all along this wall, by this what's going to be a building site. You can see where the workers or some grandma has been gardening. So this is corn. This is corn in just this little bit of ground here. These are broad beans, or what were broad beans. You can see broad beans. These are all grown, harvested, no doubt. And here we have runner beans. Because here, this is all the workers. This is all the workers' accommodation. So this will be workers supplementing their food with vegetables, so they don't have to. They don't have to buy it. And this is where the workers live, in there. All the guys who are working on these projects. And that empty space, that big empty space, there were even more, but they pulled them down. So more gardening here. It looks like they're killing the weeds or protecting the seeds. Yeah, you can see they've got crops underneath, bok choy, cabbage, all along here. So very enterprising, growing your own food. For some of them, that's what they got to do. These are probably melons or something, and probably all the way down there. There's Issa over there, and that's our apartment block here, dead opposite all this horrible stuff that we do want to move away from.